very long time ago when I applied for the program. I think I was at a point in my life where I just kind of wanted to try something new.
I'd just been offered a partnership in the business. I could really see that alignment between the course and that next kind of career step that I was going to be taking.
I just exited my second startup.
I was getting to a point in my career where I was actually looking for a bit of a transition.
I wanted new insights for innovation.
To explore new horizons, step out of the status quo, encounter the tsunami of new information.
I was trying to find a very disruptive experience where you can merge this design and business, and I can tell you that that's exactly what I found.
It's been a transformative year for me personally and professionally.
I've been able to tangibly see that growth of the company while I'm growing through the program.
I was solo by myself, and now I have hired a COO. The team is growing, new investments in revenue.
It was really inspiring for me to go to some of these amazing companies, people that have designed the Apple headquarters or designed the biggest brands in the world or do the CGI for some of the biggest movies in the world and really see this is how they work.
My company's changed a lot in the last 12 months. It's been kind of like a forcing function to kind of remove myself from the day-to-day operations of the business.
I'm not native to this demographic, and those kind of learnings I would have never got across very, very quickly. It would have taken me a long time to get those learnings, for sure.
Getting more of that global perspective has been pretty eye-opening.
We visit San Francisco, Silicon Valley. So for me, it's absolutely amazing. It's a subject that I have to learn and learn and learn about investment on everything.
The last module was all about the team, and there was something that kind of was a critical breaking point of just if I don't start applying some of these things, we're not going to be able to kind of move forward as a team, and it's completely transformed the way that we relate to one another, the kind of creative collaboration between all of the different members of my team.
I sort of reflected back on managing my teams and the mistakes that I made, and I didn't realize that they were mistakes.
We managed to build a handbook for young managers in the company, and part of the content came from here.
My confidence level in being able to see where it is that I want to be and bringing my mindset to that level.
I was very, very lucky to see the human behind each leader. Legends like Mr. Wolf yesterday, that you just see the human behind the creative mind.
I've rediscovered some fundamental things about myself.
The course has definitely helped me distill my vision and purpose more clearly.
And the thing that I didn't really anticipate would be one of the extra benefits was the cohort and the relationships that were made.
Every time I have a question or I'm struggling with something, immediately understand what I'm talking about. It's like we share a common language that it's beyond, the place that you come from. It's like the creative language.
Everyone was open to share what they were doing and also not just say and talk about it, but sit next to you on your laptop at lunch and really show you how it works, or show you what their team is doing and how that was working.
I probably will never forget how we made the focaccia.
Amazing people working all together, having different points of view, but still going in the same direction.
This lifelong connection and the lifelong network of friends and colleagues.
My next step is to continue my journey of building my business, my agency. I now have a network of peers that I can reach out to.
Help transform the company using design.
Transition out of kind of more day-to-day management into hopefully more of a kind of a mentoring role.
Build inspiring communities.
Bring a little bit of these future ideas back home and try not to get too far away from what's happening here.
Well, I've just signed the partnership papers, so that's a big thing.
Build a better company with better people, with better professionals, and for a better world.
This program just changed my life.